KBA sheet-fed and web offset presses are known for their reliability in production. But in case you nevertheless run into difficulties, we're ready and waiting to help you diagnose and solve your problem. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, anywhere in the world. The short and simple name for this service, KBA PressSupport24. Our telephone hotline is on hand to assist you at any time, irrespective of the kind of difficulty you have encountered.
Guten Tag, Herr Müller.
We'd be pleased to take your calls directly in either German or English. If necessary, we have interpreters for other languages. Where appropriate, we perform initial troubleshooting via an online link to your press, which enables us to query the current process status and to access diagnosis data, software versions or control parameters. If the problem turns out to be more complex, our hotline staff can fall back on a team of experienced KBA specialists, or else consult the vast pool of knowledge saved in our extensive service database. In this way, the most comprehensive expertise available goes to work to determine the solution to your problem. Through online access to the press control systems, many problems can be rectified quickly and without the need for a service technician to actually visit the site. That saves valuable time and costs. Longer periods of press downtime and an extensive loss of production can generally be avoided with KBA PressSupport24, or at least reduced to an absolute minimum. For you, that means fast assistance and production reliability, irrespective of the distance between us. Let's take a look at how KBA PressSupport24 functions in practice.
Hello, this is Suresh calling. I have some problems with printing pressure adjustment. Machine number, serial number is 365742.
Okay, what is the error code?
Wherever in the world you're located, we are always available to help. If a problem occurs, the customer simply calls the KBA hotline and gives his name, the serial number of the press, and a description of the problem. Where necessary, the operator is asked to activate the remote service function. Subsequently, the KBA technician can log in remotely to the KBA press console and begin diagnosis. Once the problem has been identified, the required measures can be implemented without delay.
I have done this, and maybe let me check this. So I'm going to start it again.
Fast problem solution with KBA PressSupport24 is also realized in similar fashion on big newspaper presses.
Guten Tag, Herr Schneider. Geben Sie mir bitte mal Ihre Maschinennummer.
When the customer contacts the KBA hotline, our service department uses a diagnosis PC installed by the press to track down the cause of a problem and to initiate immediate repair.
Ja, so wie es aussieht, gibt es da ein Problem am Sensor 1843.
If a component on the press is found to be defective, the staff in the service department trigger a request for a new, genuine spare part. To this end, KBA maintains ultra-modern logistics centers, each with several thousand parts for its customers' presses. The required parts are retrieved from the stores, packed and sent on their way to the customer by the fastest means. Every customer is important. We make no distinction between large and small, or between web offset press lines and single sheet-fed presses. Our experts at the individual production facilities and qualified service technicians at our branch offices and agencies around the world are always at your side in case of technical problems. If things get urgent, simply call the appropriate hotline. We'd be pleased to help you, over the phone, online, and if necessary, as quickly as possible on site at your press. KBA offers attractive service contracts with a choice of flat rate or call-by-call invoicing. Simply contact us via PressSupport24@kba.com. We'd be glad to make you an interesting offer.